Let's learn how you can delete your search history on YouTube. So let us start by opening our YouTube application. Now what you want to do is to click on search in top right corner, and then here will appear search history of content that you searched in past week. So to delete some of these, you just want to select the search you want to delete and swipe it to left. As you can see, here will appear delete red button. So to delete it, just press on that delete button and you're done. We can delete one more if you want. So that's it for deleting a search history. Now if you want to delete watch history, you can go to you and then click on settings. It will open settings page. Click on manage history, and here you will see the videos you watched. You can set up which kind of date you want to search. By default it will be set up from latest or newest video you have searched, and to delete it just press on X. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you.